Ha ha! 134.05. Yeah! Woo! Woo! The intensity was real. My fingers have cramps in them. Oh, buddy. Jesus. And that took me a total of 20 minutes. You guys won't see all of the attempts. You'll probably see a close couple, but I'll edit that out for you. Just so that way we don't have to worry about this in the future. Alright, we'll leave that be now. Back onto the ship, and we will start by going on to Orcon. Alright, blast off. Notice how we got a better ship after dealing with port. We're no longer using the company ship, the courier ship. Alright, so we had the O2 mask in the last episodes, and now we can actually breathe on this planet. So, we're gonna look around. That's where Clank was, or where Clank went. Any new guns? The Visibomb gun,
for you today.
decoy glove. I'm gonna save up for this this Visibomb gun, because I don't really care for the decoy. Doesn't really seem to do a whole lot. I mean, it's a decoy, I get it, and the enemies will shoot at it instead. But I've never been one to shy away from the challenge either, so I'll just let that be what it be. I swear they have a magnet for the bolts and stuff. I need to find out where that is and go get it. Really? That thing put up a bunch of hits. I didn't think it was gonna be so strong. Oop! I was about to say, that's death, ain't it? I didn't have the right thing equipped. Alright, let's equip the blaster. It's usually the easiest thing to use to get enemies off our back. There we go. I mean, and I know I can blow these crates up if I chose to, but oh, is that thing like an alarm? Because that's what it seemed like it was doing, and just calling out and waking everybody up. I mean, if that's indeed what had happened, I'm not sure, but it didn't bother me none. Oh goody, another vendor. I'll be honest, I almost didn't see it. It looked like a flower. Yeah, let's aim for it like right here. What y'all gonna do with me all the way up here, y'all? But I'm not gonna sit here and let them. Those things hurt. Can I not aim up there? Nope, still can't aim up there. What though? I think I forget that we don't have an extra equip wheel. There we go. Alright, and I should be able to make that if I... Nope! Oh, that was close. Alright, let's grab this info bot. Nope, I guess not. Oh, we're gonna have to follow this along the whole way. It shouldn't be too bad. It's just timing. I say that and then the game lags out. Oh, that's interesting. So when I was on... Yeah, I saw that coming. Oh man, those things are... Man, there's so many of them. Well, that was interesting. He didn't jump nearly as far that time. I just don't want to have to deal with these guys again. I don't think they can follow me. Yeah, I saw... I tried to pull out my gun, and that does not work. Are these going in reverse order now? They definitely are. Well, I'm alive. It still got me twice, but I am alive. Alright. The infobot over here? Or are they gonna make me swing? Oh. Looks like they're gonna make me try to swing, but... I can't shoot them, can I? Nope. So not only can I not shoot them, but I'm gonna be over here and then have to re-equip this. Alright. Interesting. Oh. Oh. You know what? Maybe right about now that
I got some great bargains
decoy sounds pretty good. 'Cause I just don't wanna. I don't want to deal with all those guys. They take too many hits. Yeah, y'all go fetch that guy. I wonder if this was the way that it was supposed to be, and then it was messed up the first time I came through. Well, I tried. But I say, I'm not taking that chance again. That sucked. Can I? No, I was gonna say, can I jump off of this? No. It made sure that you could not. Come on. I was about to say, if you stop trying to fight me and fight me, there we go. So they only take one hit because they fly up high in the sky. Oop. Nope, 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 no. Jesus, there's a ton of them. The flying one can still come and get me though, right? Well, doesn't seem interested. Uh-oh. I don't know if these things wake up when I touch them. If I break boxes. I know these little blue guys will wake them up, but ooh, buddy. Give me the health. Ah, all the way over. He did it again. He did like this short hop. If I had a gun that did more damage. Well, Still happens, huh? Wow. Little crablings being a pain in my neck. Yeah, maybe the decoy gun will be more helpful than I expected it to, because those guys are just tough, and there's no reward for defeating them. Well, this one's over, isn't it? It's a shame when one hit is all it takes for you to be like, yep, game over, GG's. I mean, I might be okay. Yep. Oh, I forgot about these guys, honestly. Alright, we made it over here again. Oh! Oh! I thought maybe if I could kill the alarm, then I'd be better off. I mean, here's a good test opportunity for that. Is that how this works? Yeah, they're really heavy sleepers, so I just have to kill the alarms and not touch them ever. Starting off great. Yeah, this thing is set offset every time it happens, so I'm gonna have to pay attention every time I go in. Now that's just rude. Still very rude. Come on! Grr, 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 grr. I'm about to say, he's gonna be coming back. And it's back to 1 health just because those dang birds. Pterodactyls, whatever you want to call them. Oh! I wasn't expecting him to actually connect to the swing shot point. Oop! I don't... Sometimes he's doing what I know it's partially because there's a slight lag gap between everything. Oop! Yep. Still got hit. Those things are just annoying. Oh! Well, that's a new one. You know what? I'm going the other direction for the moment. Yeah? I was about to say it. When the gun didn't auto aim onto him, I was like, oh, it's over with. Really? I'm not gonna sit here and pretend that things are okay when they're not okay. Let's see. Let's just keep the decoy glove out and see how well it works against this guy. Oh, it works. Surprisingly enough, it works. The thing is that they only look at the decoy until it is destroyed. Which makes 100% perfect sense, but it's good information to know. I just think some of this is kind of interesting, the way that, I mean, it is an older game. Oh, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. It is one of those older games, so they don't have as many. Oh, Jesus. That worked out. Come on. Stupid birds. Oh, okay. I thought I hit the bomb as well. There we go. There was another Ratchet and Clank game that I saw when I was looking at the trophies. I wonder which one that was. Oh, it's already over. It is already over. King Tanza, hello, how are you? Alright. These are
Hi there,
actually
Fuzzball.
kind of annoying. And I want to destroy the ships, but yeah, there's slight lag. It's because this is not the main game. It has to be streamed from PlayStation. And so streaming it from PlayStation and streaming it causes lag. I don't know if it's just the streaming from PlayStation, but you get it all perfectly fine and exactly as I get it over here. Unfortunately, the lag is really from PlayStation side because it has to be streamed. You can't download it. Okay, well I thought there was another one, but I'll take that. Oh, come on, you dang dirty birds. I'm just gonna move on. But yeah, slight lag has been there since the start, since I started playing it. And although I can bellyache all I want about it, if I want to play it without having the original PS2 disc, there's not a whole lot I can do. The challenge mode? I haven't even thought about the challenge mode yet. Yeah, you go back to sleep. Are you not going to go back to sleep? Because am I close enough? You're not. Okay, I was close enough. Oh, Jesus. But yeah, I haven't even thought about the challenge mode, which could be something fun to do. Oh, no. It's over with. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, it's over with. Oh, come on. Woo. What is the challenge mode exactly for the original? Is it just one-hit KO kind of thing?
Hello again, everyone. Supreme Executive Chairman Drek here to fill you in on our progress. We have now found the perfect orbit for our planet, one which will allow for the optimum temperature all year round. However, there is a planet now occupying that orbit, and sadly, for its few insignificant inhabitants, it must be destroyed. That's why we've created this! The Planet Buster Maximus, a device capable of blowing an entire planet into subatomic particles. We're quite proud of it. Here's how it works. We attach the Planet Buster to this ship, fly it into orbit around the planet, and let it go! Kaboom! Quite ingenious, really. Once our trained professionals put the finishing touches on our new planet, everything will be complete. Thank you. Goodbye.
Now this guy's gonna blow up an entire planet? That's just mean.
That's what I've been telling you.
Look, I'm still gunning for Quark. If we end up taking out Drek too, hey, fine. What?
You do care.
Don't push it, pal.
Just finished the game the first time last week. Yeah, honestly, I used to play these games a lot when I was younger, and when I saw that it was available to play on PlayStation, I thought I have to play this. I can't not play a game of my childhood. Oh, I know where we are. We went through here as Clank. New Game Plus. Yeah, but with the original Ratchet and Clank with New Game Plus, there's not a lot that you carry over. I mean, it's not like you get a whole bunch more health or the upgrades for your weapons. I grew up on all of the original. So I played Jak and Daxter, I played Ratchet and Clank, I played Spyro. I used to love all of those games. I can't tell you how many times I've played them. Oh, where's this taking me? Oh, how nice. Oh, okay, maybe not how nice. Yes, I did play Sly. As a matter of fact, I did a full playthrough of the Sly series not that long ago. And I figured since I'm streaming it, I'd also upload it to YouTube. So if you go check out my YouTube under the same name, you can go see my Sly playthrough. I did all of them. Sly 1, 2, 3, and Honor Among Thieves, or Thieves in Time. Sly was always one of my favorites too. Alright, so how are we going to do this?
Great bargains for you.
You know what? Let's buy
Fuzzball.
a couple of these.
Oh, that's a nice one.
We'll get this at 15. Definitely need some blaster ammo. Grab a few Agents of Doom, and that should run me good for a minute. Alright. I need to change up my quick select because it's getting to be a little much. I'll keep the Pyrocitor. Keep the blaster. I don't really use the suck cannon. So you haven't played the fourth Sly game, which was Thieves in Time. Not that it's a bad thing. I enjoyed all of. I'm not gonna use that. Let's just keep the bombs. That'll be good enough. So you did play it, but Sly 3 was the final game, as far as you're concerned. I know with a lot of people, there's a lot of defense on whether or not Thieves in Time was considered to be a Sly Cooper game or not. Or considered to be the last Sly game because of the way it was. Alright, give me that health. I don't have enough Devastator ammo. That's what a lot of people say. It is definitely more like a reboot sequel, but it's still part of the Sly Cooper line for me. But that's why everybody doesn't call it Sly 4. We call it Thieves in Time. I enjoyed the hell out of it. I enjoyed everything they did with it. If I step right here, does it show up? No, it'll show up after I take my first step. Yep. Well, so much for that. Oh. I figured I wasn't going to be able to take him out without more missiles. 50 a pop, they mean. That's a lot of bolts for that. Yeah, the gameplay was quite fun for Thieves in Time. Like I said, I enjoyed it. I know a lot of people, really? started firing pretty quick. A lot of people are on the fence about it, but I still think, as for what it was a good game. And I would, and have, played it again. And would probably play it again. Maybe not immediately, since I did play it here recently, but I did enjoy all of the Sly games. Ooh. Yeah, I didn't think that was gonna work either. Maybe I just used a decoy. There we go. And I just kind of run through it, see how well that works. Because the decoy definitely works. I didn't think I was going to use the decoy, but here I am. Alright, that worked out. I need time to throw the decoy down on you. Or not. Oh, Jesus. Throw it. I didn't make it. Sly 3 story-wise should be the end. So there's a lot of things that can be said about that. I think Sly 3 was fantastic and amazing, and I agree that it should be the end. But as with every franchise, they're gonna push to get more money out of everything. And so when you get Sly Thieves in Time, and I can't say they ruined Penelope for me, but that's what they did. I thought Penelope was a fantastic character, and they made her a villain for what I would say no reason other than to have a villain turn antagonist, or have a protagonist turn villain. And at first I thought it was cool and a nice idea, but oh, Jesus! I don't feel like they ruined Sly at all. I feel like the whole Sly thing, most of the characters stayed the same, but Carmelita and Penelope were the two main characters that really got changed. Butt nugget. Alright, well, I need that health now, so. You know what? I bet you if I just went in there and spun around real quick, they couldn't even hit me. Haha, that worked. Now, is it gonna matter? Because I still need to make it all the way to the end without hit. Nope, that's not gonna make it. Maybe I just run. Maybe it's Maybelline. Come on, throw another one. Let me out of here. Alright, I just need to take them all out. There's nothing I can do. Devastator, I have 10 ammo, and I have 3 Glove of Doom. That's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna throw a ton of bombs. But I'll make it through with the decoy first. I don't know. you know, when they tried putting Thieves in Time on the PS Vita, I had thoughts about making it portable too. Like, why didn't they? But I really do think the Sly Cooper franchise was fine after Sly 3. And then after Thieves in Time, I feel like they unnecessarily made it to where they needed to make another Sly now. Because now you have so many things that are unanswered. And I would personally like answers to some of that. I mean, I just want to know where they're going story-wise. I don't have to, but I'm not going to make it, am I? Nope, not going to make it. Jesus, why is this so annoying?
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Just grab some more blaster ammo, because it's the best weapon in the game. If only the blaster worked on those guys there. You know what? I'm tired of it. Let's just... Oh, nope. There we go. Uh-huh. Made that. But yeah, I feel like I am in agreement with most people on the whole Sly 3 should have been the last main Sly game. And if they had continued it on to a portable version, I don't know how it would have been. I'll agree that they butchered the Ratchet and Clank on PSP, but the one that the Jak and Daxter that I played on the PSP, I think it was Frontier. I think they actually just brought it to PS Plus too. But yeah, I actually enjoyed that particular Jak and Daxter as well. That being said, there's only one Jak and Daxter I thought I was behind this. There's only one Jak and Daxter I didn't really like. Oh, come on, you were on that ledge. You were on that ledge. But that was Jak, what was it, Jak X? Because it was just racing. And I'm not a big racing fan. Like, I hated that one. Even, what was it, Jak? I think Jak 3, where you got to go out into the sandy dunes and race around on the cars. I didn't like that either, but that was personal. The rest of the game was fine. Will you guys stop it? Here we are again. Just not going to be able to make this. Oh, that was rude. That was rude. Is there something I can do? How many... I might try taking out that ship. I don't know how many Devastator ammo it's gonna take, but with 10 I should be fine. I didn't realize I was gonna butt my head up against the wall here so much. But yeah, the Secret Agent Clank that they made for the PSP was interesting, but the game sucked. And then the other Ratchet and Clank game they made was also interesting, but also sucked. Alright, I made it this far. So let's try it this way. Oh, it only takes 3. That would have made my life simpler from the get-go if I had just done that. Ooh, that lag. Jak and Daxter 1 and Ratchet and Clank are your favorite. I can't complain. Jak and Daxter 1, I enjoyed it. But I think when they went to Jak and Daxter 2, they made a lot of quality of life improvements that I really enjoyed. He was hanging on to that ledge. What do you mean? He was literally on the ledge. Okay, well, now we know how many shots it takes for these things, so. Come on. We're not gonna play around with these anymore. If it only takes 3 shots. But the thing that irritated me the most about Jak and Daxter 1... Ooh, Jesus. Was when you actually do get everything, all the collectibles and all the precursor orbs and everything, all you get to show for it is the intro to Jak and Daxter 2. The last mission on Frontier crashed. I never... Did I? See, I played Frontier on the PSP, so I don't really know, but I don't think I had any issues with it crashing. I want to say I remember the ending of that game. As a matter of fact, I know I remember the ending because it was such a out of left field kind of ending. Yeah, I was about to say, I don't think I've ever had it crash. But it was definitely not the ending I was expecting. Come on. Man, these things have such long range. Maybe I just take them out from the or take them out step by step on the platform.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Daxter? You know what? I'll take the L. I will take the L. I was not prepared. I know I played Daxter. I enjoyed Daxter. It had a lot of mini games I didn't like. Like you had to play Neo as Daxter. I thought they were all clever and cute, but I remember I played the hell out of it too. Man, I haven't played Daxter itself in a long time. I wonder if that's why they tried to make their own offshoot for Ratchet and Clank, just Secret Agent Clank. Of course, Daxter could have came out first. I don't know. Come on. No, 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 no. Worth it. Ever played Dissidia? So I've played some of it, but I never fully played them. Like, there's quite a few of them, and I keep wanting to get back into it. But those are some of those games that, ooh boy, they can take a while to finish. Not gonna lock onto the other one? That's fine. Should have just done this to start with. Yeah, the first Ratchet and Clank lock-on system is not good. Uh-oh. But yeah, that's one of those games that I never went back to. I'll be honest with you, I didn't actually have a whole lot of PSP games. I ended up getting them through other means, but I've played a lot of PSP games. Uh-oh. No, you don't. I ain't messing with you. You guys are too annoying for me. So the only PSP games I think I still own are the Patapon series. No! Oh my god.